Welcome to Bungaraya Condominium at Saujana Subang. This condominium is known for its resort-style architecturing and landscape, where you can see plenty of greeneries in its surrounding. This condominium is a low density where it consists of over 300 units sprawling across 11 acres of land, and it's just located next to the Saujana Golf and Country Club. This property is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom corner unit. With a build-up of 1,668 square feet, each of the rooms are spacious. And what I love about this unit, the layout design is classic, whereby the kitchen is covered. If you're looking for serene and large outdoor areas with ample of facilities near Arah Damansara, then this property would definitely suit you. Give me a call, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful condominium.